How are you all?
Ma'am.
Fine? Fine? Ready for a new topic?
Yes. Ma'am.
So it's yes. What do you have to do? Say yes or show me your thumb. Thumb. Yes. So are you all ready? Excellent. I'm going to share my screen. No one is going to touch the screen. Yes? All right. What is it written? Read in your mind. Heard this word? Heard this word? Show me your thumb. Punctuation. Ever heard? Yes, Tejas has heard. Soham, you can't hear me. Am I audible? Show me your thumb. Audible? Okay. Soham, arrange your mic. Arrange your volume. What is punctuation? Yes, Pius.
Question mark, full stop.
Yes. Capitalization. Do we use capital letters in a sentence?
Yes.
Yes. So,
Exclamation mark.
exclamation mark. Who is touching the screen? You are not supposed to touch the screen, students. Okay. Capital letters, full stop, and question mark in a sentence. Now today we will study where we use capitalization and when to where use question mark and a full stop. What is this picture of?
Question mark.
Question mark. That means when we ask a question, then we put it first
Question
sentence.
mark.
Where is my bag? Where is my Who is touching the screen? All right. Where is my bag? Can you see the W of where and there is a question mark in the end? Second sentence. Why were you absent on Thursday? Thursday is the name of a day. That means whenever we talk about days in a week in any sentence, we will write it with a capital letter. When is Christmas celebrated? It is also a question that so first letter capital and Christmas is a festival. So C will be capital. If we are talking about Diwali, then D will be capital. Holy H will be capital. All right. This picture, Arshlin, what is this picture of?
Ma'am, this is a circle.
Circle, but we are using it here as a full stop. I like to eat chocolate. It is a sentence. That means it's a normal sentence. So we will put a full stop in the end and the first letter I will be capital. Second, Madhu is a good girl. Madhu is a name. Show me your thumb. It's a name. Yes. So Madhu, M will be capital. If we are talking about any name, if I have to say Nimrat, or if I have to say Mannat, or I have to say Mehrab, that means you all are going to start your name with the capital letter. My friend has gone to Delhi. Starting with the capital letter, and Delhi is the name of a place. Yes? Show me your thumb. Yes? Are you all understanding? Good. I can see your thumbs. Prabhanoop, Delhi is the name of a place. So if we want to talk about any name of a place, if we have to say Chandigarh, C will be capital. If we talk about Mohali, M will be capital. So that means name of a place always starts with a capital letter. Next sentence. I study in Gurukul World School. I capital and Gurukul World School is the name of our school. So it's going to start with a capital letter. Have you all understood? Show me your thumb. Understood? Be ready with your pencils. I'm going to start your classwork activity right now. All right. The first question, write these sentences using capital letter and full stop where needed. You have to write the answer sentence of this quickly within 30 seconds. Gur Sahib, start doing your work. Arshlin, what are you saying?
Ma'am, I think this every sentence we write a sentence.
Full sentence. Like this you have to write. Beta, who is touching the screen? Control your hands, dear students. Control
Okay,
your
ma'am.
hands.
Okay, ma'am.
All right, I'm showing the second sentence. Write this answer quick. Soham, are you writing the answer? Soham, are you writing the answer?
No, ma'am.
Start writing the answer. I want to see the answers in your notebook quick. Are you touching the screen, Soham?
No, ma'am.
Then why your hand is near the screen? Sit a little backward and start writing. Start writing answers. Done? Class 3?
Yes, ma'am.
Show me. All right. Have you all written this answer? Checked? Harshit, are you writing, beta? Harshit?
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
Be quick. Be quick. Third sentence. Our class teacher is Miss Aparna Sen. Quickly write down the answers I want to see. Write down quick.
Mama, don't do that.
Harshit ji, quickly beta. Quickly write down the complete sentence with proper punctuation mark. Should I show you the answer, class 3? Show me your thumb if you're done with the third one. Nimrat, are you writing? Nimrat, are you writing?
Brother.
The third sentence, beta, not the first and second. Now write down the third sentence. Our class teacher, just write the answer sentences. How are you going to punctuate it? Should I show you the answer? Students, should I show you the answer? Yes, Arshleen? Done? Check your answer.
Ma'am, it is fine.
Now, our class teacher is Miss Aparna Sen. Correct? Very good, Arnav. Next sentence. My favorite subject is English. Write down the answer sentence. Quick. Quick, quick, quick. I'm observing you all. Quick. Written. Should I show the answer?
No, ma'am.
Okay, I'm waiting another 20 seconds. Soham, show me your notebook. Done? Should I show the answer now? My favorite subject is English. My M capital and English E capital. Have you all done? Done, Prabhanu?
Yes.
Very good. All correct till now? All right. The school reopens in July. Let me see how many of you still remember how to use punctuation. Write down the fifth answer sentence. Very good. I can see all of you are writing. Tamreen, done? Fifth one. Very good. All right. The fifth answer. Very good, Pius. The school, capital T, and July, J will be capital and there will be a full stop. Done 5 sentences? Very good. We have 5 more sentences. All right. Jeet and I are neighbors. Soham, writing. Soham. Soham, are you writing? Quick. Should I show the answer, class 3? Punctuation. All right. Jeet and I are neighbors. Jeet capital J, I capital, and then we will put a full stop. Next, have you ever visited Japan? Just see that it's a question or it's a normal sentence. Done? Show me your thumb. Just write the answer sentence.
Hello, ma'am. Ma'am, done.
Done? Check your answers.
Yes, ma'am. Mama, same.
Very good, Samreen.
I also.
Very good. Excellent. Next sentence. I met Sonali in the library. Answer sentence. Raninder Singh, sit straight and write. Write the answer sentence. Quick. Show me your thumb if you are done. I'll show you the answer.
I'm done. Ma'am,
Very
done.
good. Check your answers. Should I show?
Yes,
Check.
ma'am.
Check your answer. Is it correct?
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Very
ma'am.
good. We have a
Yes,
very
ma'am.
smart class. Arshleen done?
Yes, ma'am.
9th. Saturday is a holiday. Remember, Saturday is the name of a day. It will be small or capital. Just check. Harshit Nara, are you writing? Done?
Yes, ma'am. No, ma'am.
No, okay. Another 20 seconds to you, beta.
Ma'am, done.
Done?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Check your answer.
Ma'am, same. Ma'am,
Same?
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Oh,
ma'am.
very good. Smart class. All of you have understood.
Yes, ma'am.
Write down the answer sentence. January is the first month of the year. I just want your answer sentences.
Ma'am, done.
Done?
I'm done.
Excellent, excellent. Let everyone complete. Let everyone complete. Another 20 seconds. Another 20 seconds. Very good. Samreen done. Who else has done? Show me your thumb.
Ma'am,
Very good. Raninder Singh has done. Tejas has done. Excellent. Check your answers.
Ma'am, it's same.
It's same.
Yes, ma'am.
Put a tick mark and give yourself a star. Our school will reopen on Monday. Twenty seconds. Quick. Done?
Yes, ma'am.
Done, Savitoj?
Ma'am, done. Ma'am, done.
Done. Want to see check your answer now?
Yeah.
No, Arshleen, another 20 seconds better.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, done.
Okay, good. Very good. Smart class. Check your answers.
Ma'am, same.
Same.
Yes, ma'am.
Wow. So have you all understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Show me your thumb if you all have understood.
Ma'am, I missed the first question. I missed
You
Ma'am,
missed the first question?
Ma'am, I
okay.
missed the first question.
First question, I gave you the example. Now, this was your classwork. Now I am going to show you your homework. Okay? Homework worksheet.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, this is your homework worksheet, lesson number 4. All right. There are, it's everything is given here. What is capital? Revise it. And then there is
Ma'am?
exercise A. Yes, Tamreen?
Ma'am, I have book. I can do on book.
Yes, you can do on the book if you have.
Me too. Ma'am,
You, if, okay. Students, this is your homework. All right. Exercise A. 6 questions. Then they're telling you about full stop. Then there is exercise B. 6 or 7 sentences will be there. Okay, that means you are going to do this chapter today in your book if you have. If you don't have the book, I will be sharing the picture in the WhatsApp group. Understood? Yes. And the ones who did not send me their previous worksheet will send me that also in the evening. Is this topic clear to all? Excellent. To everyone, your answers were correct.
Yes.
Clap for yourselves that you all have understood. Your answers were correct. Yay. All right, that's all for today. Revise this topic and all the previous topics. All right, bye.
Bye. Bye. Bye. Bye.